Hey everybody, it's your old pal Chuck, and we're doing a quick and dirty vlog. These are the Blokees Blocks Galaxy version Wave 2 set. Um, we've taken a look at them before, and by the way, I've actually, since that original video, just so you know, it's Blokees. So Blokees, but these are really fun kits, and in fact, a lot of people have had a chance to experience the YOLO Park Mini AMK Pro kits have said these are actually kind of better. Now, as you can see right here, we know what's in there. Basically, what I'm doing is just trying to show, give an idea of order if you're not buying a whole case, but also let's find out if I have that rare Chase uh, Beast Mode Grimlock. So, oops, this is what they look like in the packaging. So we're going to start from lower left to upper right. I'll let you know which one I'm doing. Now, I'm not emptying. I've already opened the boxes, just so you know, to save a little time. They are very difficult to open, um, but I really haven't even pulled the, opened the bag. So let's see what this one. Now, I got to remember which ones have the little card that says who is who, because I'm going to say nope, not this one. All right, so it's the bigger bag. Well, the one that doesn't have the built-in tab to like open. So we'll grab this one here, and it's again lower left. It's the ones you can tell. There's these bags that have the joints. They pull from the side. And you have these ones that look like a potato chip bag. They open from the top. And let's see. I can tell it's Grimlock. Um, it is. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is robot mode Grimlock. So I'm actually going to put this aside because the instructions, both robot mode and beast mode Grimlock, require some extra detailing. So I will do another vlog where I will show how to build them. Give you guys a little bit of a hint. So we'll put him off the site. Now we're doing front row middle, which will be a little bit faster since I know what kind of bag to look for. And I do like these boxes. I just wish they were easier to open. I mean, let's be honest. If you want a whole set, the cost-effective way is to get a case because people will mark these up individually. Oh, and it's nice as the tab's right there. Ah, it is Inferno. We have Inferno and Grapple uh, in this case this time. So, like if you remember the first wave, we had Thundercracker and Starscream, Thundercracker and Skywarp, and now we have Starscream. This is front row, lower right, all the way to the right. So let's pop this out. And oh, this is interesting. I can tell without even looking at the card. It's grapple. Yeah, so in my case, it's the front row is robot mode Grimlock, Inferno, and then grapple. So, and I think that 'cause I think the way these work, because there has to be some sort of order to them. Like that's how it will be for all the cases. At least that's what I'm assuming. And keep going, chuck it along, chuck it along. I do that, and we are now middle row, first one on the left, and oh, oh, wait a minute, this is Grimlock. Did I? Uh, I do believe. I do believe. Um, Hold on, I've got to check the instructions real quick, but I do believe I have gotten the very Grimlock. Um, yes, I got the rare version of Grimlock, and the reason I know I got the rare version of Beast Mode Grimlock is that the helmet, the flame effect, and the overall metallic finish is unique to that. Also got a couple of these things, which I think are energon cubes. So, oh, and the fish here is part of the rare version. So that is cool. Let me just tell you all, um, I do not have the best of luck when it comes to variants, chases, rare figures. If I want something like that, I have to uh, basically pay for it. I don't get lucky like this grabbing uh, the rare variants. Now keep in mind that if I understand the way this works, because I have the rare version that's with the metallic finish, I do not have the normal version of Grimlock. Also, if I remember from what I've seen, it's not like I can make a transforming Grimlock or anything out of this. But much like the robot mode Grimlock, which was the first one up, um, this will be put aside, and we'll do a special build because there is a special techniques than the usual, you know, general frame. All the other ones, anything special isn't that bad. This one's above and beyond. So yeah, so basically I got that with the metallic finish version. So yay me. And that was the second row all the way on the left for those of you playing along at home. So let's just keep going. Oh, and by the way, they're showing on the box now that Wave 3, which should be coming soon, hopefully. Since this was actually dated this box was dated 2023, we're getting Soundwave and Bumblebee. And Soundwave will have a variant version. So, yeah, I'm actually very happy to get that variant. I know some of you would say, don't build it, but, I'm going to. I think the value is just in the figure, not in the art of the kit. That's the other thing about buying the aftermarket is a lot of times they're built and people just want to get rid of them. Okay, and here's something interesting. This is the Shattered Glass IDW Optimus Prime. They're actually calling this IDW Optimus Prime, but it's Shattered Glass Optimus Prime. So that is second row middle, and now we're going second row all the way to the right. And okay. And keep in mind also, there's another case of these that are now, it's just from all, it's a separate assortment, but they've included light up parts. So unfortunately, that's a little expensive for my budget for what they are. Oh, and here's another one I was looking forward to. This is Starscream. Basically the same build as Thundercracker and Skywarp, but Starscream does come with Megatron in its weapon mode. And you know what? Let me also just double check because they do tell you on the instruction. Here, let me give you a quick look at the instructions. Um, Basically, you can see they show with Optimus Prime the general building scheme, and then they show you here how to do the Beast Mode Grimlock. And then on the back here, there's a little section for the robot mode. But and then you have the Constructicons and all that. Hmm. Yeah, there are no blast effects included in this way. That's a little disappointing, to be honest with you. So, and is actually going to be kept a little to the side just because um, I am looking forward to building that one. But that one's just going to be done, as is. Or maybe I'll do it, as um, as a little treat. And hopefully my sound did because somebody tried calling me. So there's that. Um, we're moving along. And oh, we're doing back row upper left, and that is Cliff Jumper because I already built Cliff Jumper. I just couldn't wait. So yeah, nice figure. Bumblebee's coming the next wave. That was back row upper left. It too comes with one of those Energon cubes. And then the final two, I can tell you, are Constructicons. Um, because I happened to open the bags just by accident. I don't know which ones they are though, because I just see a sea of green. Uh, and of course, trying to find that little identifying card that you would think they would put fairly easy. I think this is Mix Master. I can tell from that piece. So this one's Mix Master. Oops, sorry, not the camera. We're doing it quick and dirty. Quick and dirty. Yeah, by the way, if you ever hear that like on my videos if the sound drops, that's because somebody calls me and even though I ignore the call, the damn Bluetooth just switches off and it like really annoys me. And I have to use like an earpiece because the camera will not pick up my voice at a natural pitch. Now, this is the other one. Um, I honestly can't remember. Was it long haul? Is this long haul? It looks like long haul. I mean, there's really not a lot of English on these kits. Uh, don't let me jump this. Oh, yep. And it's long haul. So back row, far right is long haul. So the back row is Cliff Jumper, Mixmaster, and long haul. The middle row is Tyrannosaurus Rex mode, um, Grimlock, Shattered Glass IDW Optimus Prime, Starscream with the Megatron pistol, and then the front row, all the way to the left, is Robot mode Grimlock, Inferno, and then Grapple. So if you have this case, let me know if that was your lot layout. Um, I'll get to building these post with. And, like I said, the next thing you're going to see is the video to show you how to build the Grimlocks. We're going to do that quick and dirty, just like this. A little bit of a, vlog, V-build type of thing. And, yeah, hopefully we'll have a good time. Maybe I'll throw Starscream into that one. Really excited to have these. I enjoy these kits very much. There's the top of the box. I could pop this up as a display piece, but yeah, not interested. So, thank you all for watching. And I'll see you. This is your old pal Chuck, and I'll see you.